Hey, welcome back to the Themuzshop. So a couple years ago I made this Baltic birch plywood tool chest, kind of a storage drawer, and the whole thing was made out of box joints. And so, what's that? You like these handles? Well, that's why we're here, because I want to show you how I made these handles. These are also box joints, which end up being really cool. And the best part about it is you can use just some of the scraps from your build, so you don't have to go out and buy any drawer pulls. Okay, so you did all your box joint cuts, and before you put your sled away, grab a couple scraps and that you're gonna use for your handles to make sure they're this oversized of what you need. I need 5 by 2, and these are about 5.5. So these will work here. Let's make one together. Okay, so now that the glue is dry, we're going to take it to the belt sander and knock down all these high points. So that way there, when I take it to the table saw, it'll sit nice and flat. So when I cut off this one edge. I know that there's excess amount of glue, but I did that on purpose in case there was some small gaps. So use it as like a filler. Now what you want to do is pick your best side and leave that one coming up, because we're going to cut this off. So line it up so that you're just going to graze this. You want to leave a little bit. You don't want to cut into this one, is what I'm saying, because you'll be able to sand off the rest. That's just a fraction. That'll sand off real easy. Okay, so I made some markings so we could cut out the handle. I like it 2 inches long here so that you get your fingers back there nice and comfortably. It's 5 inches wide, so it'll fit it like a standard 4-inch screw spread for your drawer pull. And so what we'll do is we'll cut it off at 2 and then take it to the bandsaw and we'll cut this inner part out. Okay, next is to drill a couple pilot holes for the screws. Alright, next is do a little sanding. What I like to do is I like to round off all the edges just to soften them up to the touch. Just do some sanding and then put the finish on it. So there you go, that was simple enough. And it looks really nice. And you know, use your scrap pieces. So next time you need some drawer pulls for a shop project, go ahead, use the box joint drawer puller. So I hope you liked it. Please subscribe if you haven't. Give the thumbs up, hit the bell, and I'll see you soon.